let us discuss the another class of the Mastigomycotina, that is oomycetes. Mastigomycotina, the three distinct classes are introduced. One is the chytidiomycetes, second one is the hypocytidiomycetes, third one is the oomycetes. In Mastigomycotina, the advanced fungi class is the oomycetes. Oomycetes, so you know the juice spores are biflagellated juice spores, whereas chytidiomycetes and hypocytidiomycetes, the juice spores are uniflagellate. Uniflagellated juice spores are developed in chytidiomycetes and hypocytidiomycetes. But in oomycetes, biflagellated juice spores are developed. Is the significant feature of the oomycetes, biflagellate juice spores is one of the significant feature. Both type of flagella, whiplash and tinsel type flagella found in the oomycetes juice spores. Whiplash and tinsel type flagella. Next, the oomycetes fungal forms are mainly differentiated into unicellular forms and then multicellular filamentous forms. Multicellular filamentous forms like molds. So what are unicellular? Like Leginidium. Leginidium is the unicellular oomycetes. This Leginidium is a significant fungi in oomycetes. Is unicellular fungi. Is holocarpic fungi. Entire vegetative hyphae or mycelium, particularly the unicellular body, tubular body, is involved in reproduction. The total body involved in reproduction. So is the holocarpic fungi. Is holocarpic fungi. What is holocarpic fungi? A total fungal body may involve in reproduction, that is called holocarpic fungi. Example, Leginidium. Leginidium is the significant fungi. You all remained carefully. What is the significance of this Leginidium giganteum? So this Leginidium giganteum significance feature is the used as biocontrol agent. Is commonly used as biocontrol agent. Which oomycetes fungi commonly used as biocontrol agent? Leginidium is used as biocontrol agent. Is commonly parasite on mosquitoes larvae. Is parasite on mosquitoes larvae. So these mosquitoes larvae are infected by the Leginidium. Finally, mosquitoes larvae are destroyed. So is the biocontrol nature of the Leginidium. So Leginidium giganteum is commonly used as a biocontrol agent which belongs to oomycetes is the significant feature. Is a holocarpic fungi, is endoparasite, is commonly used as a biocontrol agent. It commonly grow on mosquitoes larvae. It is commonly infect the mosquitoes larvae, finally destroy the mosquitoes larvae. So that is the significance of the leginidium. So is very important. Right. Next, so many multicellular forms are there in the oomycetes. You know, the pythium, Phytophthora, pythium, Phytophthora, Peronospora, Albugo, Sclerospora. What are these? These are all multicellular oomycetes forms. So pythium, Phytophthora, Peronospora, Albugo, Sclerospora. These are commonly multicellular oomycetes forms. So these are commonly cause the different diseases. Pythium cause the damping of disease in cotyledons of the cereals. Pythium cause the damping of disease in cotyledons. Phytophthora cause the late blight disease in potato. Phytophthora infestans cause the late blight disease in potato. Peronospora cause the downy mildew disease. Albugo cause the white rust disease. You know the familiar Albugo candidus, Cystopus candidus cause the white rust disease on mustard, Brassica nigra. So, you know, Brassicaceae or Cruciferaceae members, the white rust caused by the Albugo species. Sclerospora cause the downy mildew disease in cereals, in Poaceae members. So, these are commonly disease causing multicellular oomycetes forms. So the oomycetes forms commonly differentiated into unicellular, multicellular body, and then total body involved in reproduction is the holocarpic form, or part of the body like part of the hyphae involved in development of the reproductive organs like antheridium and oogonium. The antheridium and oogonium developed on same plant body or same mycelium or in different mycelium also found. That is later discussed in homothallic forms and heterothallic forms. So here the multicellular forms like Pythium, Phytophthora, Peronospora, Albugo, Sclerospora all infectious fungal forms, disease causing fungal forms, disease causing oomycetes forms. Right. The next, the asexual reproduction in the oomycetes forms. The asexual reproduction structures are mainly zoospores. The zoospores are mainly biflagellate. The zoospores are mainly developed in zoosporangia. The sporangia development The sporangia development on thallus is directly from the mycelium. The sporangia directly develop from the mycelium. Sporangiophore, the sporangiophore directly develop from the mycelium or develop from the special hyphal body. A special hyphae is developed. A special hyphae is developed. That special hyphae is tip of the special hyphae may develop into a sporangia. May develop into a sporangia. So finally, sporangio developed on directly on vegetative directly on hyphae of the fungi or developed on special hyphae. So that is commonly found in oomycetes forms. So the special hyphae tip developed is involved in development of the sporangia. Those sporangia, yes, involved in development of the sporangiospores. Those spores are commonly biflagellated spores. The sporangiospores is liberated from the tip of the sporangia. The zoospores are sporangiospores here. Flagellated spores commonly liberated from the tip of the sporangia. So here the zoospores developed in sporangia. The sporangia development is two types: directly developed on hyphae or special hyphae of the fungal forms. So next, the life cycle of the oomycetes. Life cycle of the oomycetes mainly diplantic life cycle. In most of the oomycetes forms, so the life cycle is diplantic. In rest of the Mastigomycotina, the vegetative mycelium is in haploid condition, but in oomycetes, the vegetative mycelium is in diploid condition. This diploid mycelium, yes, undergoes meiosis in development of the gametangia, either male gametangia or female gametangia. So the meiosis occurs in formation of the gametangia gametes in diploid fungal forms. So except gametangia gametes, so the remain gametes fusion occurs. So particularly the gametangial contact is the plasmogamete type in oomycetes. That is also covered in previous JL&DL paper. What is the significant feature regarding to reproduction in oomycetes? Gametangial contact. Gametangial contact is significant in reproduction. So like male gametangia or female gametangia is the male gametangia, is female gametangia. Both are contacted to promote plasmogamy. So fusion of protoplasm, plasmogamy. So gametangial contact is the significant feature of the oomycetes. The gametangial contact so leads to the development of the fertilization tube from the antheridia to, this is male gametangia is antheridia, and the female gametangia is oogonia, is in globose manner, is in oval shaped, but the antheridia is in club shaped. So both gametangia is contacted. Then from the antheridia, the fertilization tube is developed. This fertilization tube migrate the protoplasm along with the many male gametes into the female gametangia. A single nuclei may involve in the fusion. The fusion of the gametes form the zygote. The zygote later covered by the specific protective layer. The specific protective layer that is commonly called oospore. Zygote commonly covered by the specific protective layer. Why it is developed the specific protective layer around the zygotic cell? So is commonly need resting stage. So resting stage, the zygote covered by the specific layer, protective layer, that is collectively called oospore. Oospores may single oospores are formed. Many oospores are formed in Mastigomycotina members. Right. So here the oospore is the resting spore. Is the resting spore. Zygote development a oospore is the resting spore. When it get the favorable conditions, is germinate and develop the diploid fungal body. So except gametangial gametes formation stage, remaining all stages of the fungi in oomycetes, most of the oomycetes, the body is in stages in diploid condition. The life cycle is diplontic life cycle. So these are the significant features. They are act as saprophytes. Some of the oomycetes are saprophytes. Some of the are parasites. So they are saprophytes or parasites. The habitat of the oomycetes location. So the habitat of the oomycetes mainly aquatic habitat or terrestrial habitat. So aquatic forms, the Leginidium is aquatic endoparasitic holocarpic fungi. So the other fungal forms like saprolegniales, leptometeals, saprolegniales, leptometeals. These are the orders of the oomycetes. Now come to the orders of the oomycetes. What are the orders developed in oomycetes class? Leginidiales, leptometeals, saprolegniales, perennosporales. What are the orders? 4 orders are developed in oomycetes. The first one is the Leginidiales, second one leptometeals, third one saprolegniales, fourth one perennosporales. Finally, 4 orders are developed in oomycetes. What is first one? So Leginidiales. Second one saprolegniales. Third one leptometeals. Fourth one perennosporales. So these are the orders of oomycetes. Leginidiales, leptometeals, saprolegnials, perennosporales. So these are show the distinct features. Now come to the orders of the oomastes. Yes. So what are the orders we found in the oomastes? Leginidiales. The leginidiales are aquatic forms. They are endoparasitic forms. Their total body involve in reproduction. So holocarpic fungi. So the best example is the Leginidium. Is commonly used as a biocontrol agent to control the mosquitoes population. The Leginidium is play a significant role. So is the biological control agent. Next, is commonly cause the diseases in dogs. The disease of the Leginidium is leginidiosis. What is this is? Leginidiosis is the disease caused by the Leginidium in dogs. So these are the significant features of the Leginidiales. They are aquatic endoparasitic. They are particularly Leginidium is unicellular multicellular form. Is unicellular form. See the picture of the Leginidium. So is the life cycle of the Leginidium giganteum. So what we observed, the Leginidium giganteum is, so total body is involved in development of the, yes, reproductive structures. So the reproductive structures total involved in formation of the zoospores. So finally is holocarpic fungi. Is holocarpic fungi. Is mainly endoparasite, is commonly developed inside the host. So endoparasitic. Right. So next, second class is the saprolegnials. Saprolegnials. These are mainly act as saprophytes or parasites. These are act as saprophytes or parasites. Saprophytes or parasites. Some of the species of the saprolegnia act as saprophytes. Some of the species of saprolegnia act as parasites. Example, saprolegnia parasitica is a parasite on fish, is damage the gills of the fish. Right. These are commonly found in water bodies called water moles. So saprolegnials members are mainly Saprolegnia eclea. Saprolegnia water mold, eclea water mold, both are saprolegnials members. Both are water molds, not only saprolegnia. Next, leptomytiales members also water molds. The best example, Apodactylea. Eclea, Apodactylea. Leptomytiales, saprolegnials, both are water molds. Which one of the following commonly known as water mold? 1. Saprolegnia, 2. Eclea, 3. Apodactylea, 4. All the above. Simple question. కానీ మనకు ఫెమిలియర్గా గుర్తుండేది ఒకటే, ఏంటిది? సాప్రోలెగ్నియా ఈజ్ వాటర్ మోల్డ్ అని అందరికి గుర్తుంటుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎక్లియా ఆల్సో వాటర్ మోల్డ్, అపోడాక్లియా ఆల్సో వాటర్ మోల్డ్ అనే విషయాన్ని మనము ఎక్కువగా ఫోకస్ చేయం. ఆ ఫోకస్ చేయకపోవడం వల్ల మన ఫోకస్ అంతా సాప్రోలెగ్నియా మీద ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ సాప్రోలెగ్నియాని చూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో సాప్రోలెగ్నియా, ఎక్లియా, అపోడాక్లియా, దీస్ ఆర్ వాటర్ మోల్డ్స్. సో ఇక్కడ స్పెసిఫికేషన్ చాలా తప్పనిసరిగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. రైట్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద మెంబర్స్ కామన్లీ నోన్ యాజ్ వాటర్ మోల్డ్స్ ఇన్ ఓమైస్టీస్? 1 లెజినిడియల్స్, 2 సాప్రోలెగ్నియల్స్, 3 leptometeals, 4 leptometeals అండ్ సాప్రోలెగ్నియల్స్. ఈ రకంగా కూడా క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాడు. మనకు సాప్రోలెగ్నియల్సే వాటర్ మోల్డ్స్ అని గుర్తుంది. లెప్టోమెటియల్స్ అండ్ సాప్రోలెగ్నియల్స్ బోత్ ఆర్ కామన్లీ నోన్ యాజ్ వాటర్ మోల్డ్స్. సో ద లాస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఈజ్ ద పెరనోస్పోరేల్స్. These are the molds. Perennosporales. In oomycetes, the advanced forms are perennosporales. The advanced oomycetes are perennosporales. They are act as saprophytes or parasites. So particularly they cause perennosporales. Characteristic features are important. That is the significant order in oomycetes. You all remain the significant features of the perennosporales. Examples of perennosporales also very important. Pythium, no one. So leave the significant feature of the Pythium. Phytophthora, Perennospora, Sclerospora, Albugo. These are all perennosporales members. White rust caused by the albugo, downy mildew disease caused by the Sclerospora, Perennospora, damping of disease caused by the Pythium. So these are the important diseases caused by the perennosporales members. These are belongs to the oomycetes. The oomycetes members cause the following disease. A, damping of seedlings. B, downy mildews of cereals. C, white rust in mustard. D, stripe rust in wheat. Stripe rust, brown rust in wheat. Option 1 AB only, 2 ABC only, 3 BCD only, 4 ABCD. These type of questions are common in previous JL&DL papers. Ikkada 3 related ABC, so are related. So ABC only is the concept. సో ఈ రకమైన కాన్సెప్ట్తో క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లు ఇస్తున్నాడు. అదే కావాలి మనకు, ఆ పర్సెప్షనే కావాలి. రైట్.